back to my YouTube channel. This is PB Organics. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on face primer. If you have an oily face like me and you're prone to acne, then this video is for you. Watch this video to the end so you could see how you could make your own chemical-free face primer at home. Face primer helps to blend makeup with your own facial skin. Apply this after using your moisturizer on the face. Then you can then apply your foundation. A good face primer could help even your skin tone and reduce excess oil on your face. So guys, join the family. Subscribe to my channel if you've not yet subscribed. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. Like this video, share also to your friends and family. So for this recipe, we're going to be needing almond oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth and soft and free from fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. Plus, the vitamin A can help reduce acne. So into the mixture, I'll also be adding in my rose water. Rose water, as we all know, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin, can get rid of acne, dermatitis, and eczema. It is a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt. This we're going to be using today as our base for the primer. You could also use distilled water or parboiled distilled water, or you could boil water and leave it to cool for some minutes. I'll also be adding into the mixture aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also very good for the skin. It helps to smoothen the skin. It's a perfect remedy for sunburned skin. It will help moisturize your skin. It helps also to control oily skin. It helps also to lock down your skin and control oil on the skin. So I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon full of my aloe vera gel into the mixture. So 2 tablespoons full of rose water. Like I earlier said, you could use your distilled water or parboil your water and leave to cool for some minutes. Then I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Stir very well. So guys, after mixing, turn mixture into your desired container. This can be applied on your face in a circular motion before applying your foundation. This will help give your face a flawless look. It will help your foundation to last longer. It will help moisturize your face and give you a long-lasting glow.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.